Well, today is Friday the 13th, and for those who are superstitious, it can be a day of bad luck and misfortune. One family in Port St. Joe is taking social media by storm with their story that has now gone viral. A woman lucky to be alive after she was struck by lightning in her backyard. News 13's Amelia Henderson caught up with the family and has the story.
We love to cook together, that is for sure.
A small-town family from Port St. Joe has unintentionally blown up on TikTok.
I don't know how it happens, but people like to watch me. That's fine with me. It started with me liking ice cream. And then Grace and I have always eaten together and cooked together and laughed together.
From cooking videos to the love for me, Mama, this family is loved around the world, until one video sparked our attention.
We're going to give you a little story time on how I got struck by lightning.
It was on Friday the 13th when Sabrina exited her home, was heading to a memorial service when a lightning strike like this one hit her in the foot and sent her to the hospital.
Here's the crazy thing. I really didn't know that I had been struck by lightning.
After the initial shock wore off, Sabrina's family was just happy she survived.
It was just a scary thing, and I'm just very fortunate that she was alive and she lived through it. I always thought when you got struck by lightning, it'd kill you, you know?
After the immense pain Sabrina felt in her calf after the lightning strike, she was rushed to the hospital to then find a mark that took people by storm on social media.
Okay, so now here is the burn on the bottom of my foot. It looks like a hurricane. This is kind of a close-up of the universal shape for a hurricane. This right here. And then look at that burn. Is that not insane?
A week later, Hurricane Helene and Milton hit the west coast of Florida, and an unfortunate chain of events continued for this family.
I had already been hurt before. My blow dryer had caught on fire, and then she got struck by lightning. So my brother ended up getting a concussion. So we were like, that's the third one. He's in the family.
Yes.
That's how it works. Well, lo and behold, Mama missed the last step on her stairs, and she goes, Sabrina, I fell and I think I broke my nose.
Despite the TikTok hype of a Friday the 13th curse, the Burke family is just happy to be healthy, safe, and together.
You know, I look at it this way. I have had some amazing things happen to me that have like 1 in a million chance of happening. Fun stuff we're getting to do on TikTok and all this going on and the things we're getting to do. So I guess I have to take the good with the bad.
Well, I just think that we need to be grateful for every day. Grateful for every day we're alive and appreciate it, you know.
In Port St. Joe, Amelia Henderson, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
Wow, what a story, Amelia, and it looked like you had such a great time speaking with this family too.
Yeah, Kelsey, it was pretty crazy. I've been following them on social media on TikTok for a few years now, moved to the Panhandle, and I saw that story trending on my For You page, clicked on it, and she mentioned Port St. Joe.
Right.
So I just had to take the opportunity. I commented on one of her stories, and it's pretty wild because they have millions of followers. She actually commented back and said, I watch you every morning. I would love to do a story with you. They were just such an amazing family, welcomed me with open arms, and just felt like I was part of the family.
And I'm just so glad that she was able to tell that story. That is wild.
She survived, and she's doing well now. So such a great family. Thank you so much to the Burke family for doing that story with me. It was a great time. But yeah, pretty wild story, especially on Friday the 13th. What are the odds?
Yeah. Right.